How to open this type of flat cable connector. I'm trying to replace a damaged flex cable in my ThinkPad W530 touchpad assembly, but I can't seem to figure how to open these two connectors, and I'm scared of exerting any force on it for fear of breaking it. Any clues?
Thanks for all the help. Here's the solutions for other people in need.
I have broken a similar connector by using a tiny metal screwdriver. Instead, use a very small medium soft plastic piece, spudger, to spread apart the parts. If it doesn't move, it's not supposed to. The first picture I haven't dealt with before. I suspect that you need two tiny spudger to push in the black teeth, then pull away out of the yellow enclosure. I don't know if the ribbon is embedded in the black part, or if it comes free. The second picture has white tabs that are meant to be gently pulled away from the rest, allowing you to pull the ribbon out.
Previous experience says that the black connector should pull straight out from where it currently is. It should then lift up slightly after it has pulled outwards. Put even, gentle pressure on it when you pull it out. I'm having a hard time telling with the connector in the bottom picture if those white tabs will need to be pushed outwards or squeezed. I believe they will need to be pulled equally outwards. Unfortunately, I don't have any links or pictures to prove this. However, I have taken apart lots of computers and I have never broken any connectors or wires with these types of connectors. Hope this helps.
I saw you've already figured out how to remove the cable. I just wanted to point out that the small triangle on the connector close to the 13 usually indicates position 1, which means in your case you have it backwards or upside down on that connector. Although it is entirely possible that it is meant to go that way, maybe they have a custom cable or custom board or something. There is also a small triangle on the other end connector, although it is difficult to see because it is black, but that one is correctly oriented with the one on the cable going to the first position indicated by the triangle. There are similar triangles or markings on the PCB to indicate position 1 for connectors and components as well.
If you want to work it out, using this chart.